When it comes to marketing, email is king. Email campaigns deliver higher ROI than any other marketing methods out there. There is a study which actually says that if you invest $1 in an email marketing campaign, then you can earn up to $42. And no other marketing methods or distribution channel can create this much engagement and can help you build customer relationships like email marketing. And today we are discussing what is the right email service provider and what are the top 12 email service providers who are very much active these days. And finally, we're gonna also discuss what are the questions you should ask yourself, what are the things to check before you actually opt in for an email service provider. And at the very last of the video, we're gonna have a clear winner out of those 12 email service provider. What is that one email service provider where you should go and invest your money in? Let's quickly jump into the video. My name is Gurpreet Bhatia. I'm the founder director of Flying Saints, which is India's soon-to-be #1 growth agency, e-commerce growth agency, where we help e-commerce brands scale up to 4 times in less than 3 months. And we aim to make them 7-figure e-commerce brands. I'm a certified usability analyst, and I'm a consultant to a lot of startups and multinational e-commerce brands. All that this means that we can actually help you create your e-commerce store, and if you already own an e-commerce store, we can actually help you take it to a whole new level. If you want to contact us, hit the descriptions. The contact information is right there. And let's quickly talk about what are the top 12 email service provider we have today. So here is the list of top 12 email service providers who are very much active right now, where a lot of big multinational brands, 7-figure e-commerce brands are using them. So we have from MailChimp to HubSpot to ConverterKit to Constant Connect to OmniSend to Drip to Klaviyo to ActiveCampaign to GetResponse, Sendinblue, Campaign Monitor and MailerLite. So these are the top ones which are very much active these days, and a lot of e-commerce brands are actually investing their money into it. Each and every one has brilliant features, and if I talk about, let's talk about some of them. If we talk about HubSpot has best one-stop shop for inbound marketing management. If we talk about Constant Connect has the best drag and drop builder. If you are a drag and drop fan, go for Constant Connect. For GetResponse, it's best for growth and engagement. Definitely yes, it's a big thumbs up. And if we talk about Drip, if you are looking for a real-time collaboration between multiple teams, Drip is your email service provider. And MailChimp, we all know it's best for startups, and ActiveCampaign, it's best sales CRM with email marketing campaigns. If you're looking for a CRM, no doubt, ActiveCampaign is your email service provider where you should invest your money into. So each and every one comes with its own pros and cons, and they all have their own feature lists. And you as a brand have to see which one fits you well. So let's see what are the questions you should ask before you choose any one of them. These are the questions which 90% people actually ignore while choosing an email marketing service, and they get it wrong. And that's why their email marketing campaign fails. I have kind of divided it into these 7 categories, which are personalization, automation, import, export, qualities, pricing, definitely, what is the ROI you will be getting, the report section, the kind of reports you can generate, and the integration, also one of the most important part, that where all you can integrate this email marketing services to what all softwares you can integrate it with, and abandoned cart, one of the most important feature when it comes to email marketing. So we're gonna go through all of them in detail. So let's start with the very first one, which is the personalization. What does personalization mean when it comes to email marketing? So you need to see whether the email service provider you are looking forward to can actually have personalized features, such as can it tracks the product you are actually seeing, can it tracks the date of birth of the customer, so that you can actually personalize messages and you can give them and have engagement with your customers. So personalization is a very important thing. Do always check that before you actually finalize email service provider. So next on the list we have is automation. So automation is about creating flows that will trigger based on the user action. That means if a user is taking any action, you should have automatically made flows that if a user will do this, there is an email which should be sent to that user if he is actually doing this. So you can create n number of flows, and you can actually create a lot of engagement and a lot of personalization through these automated flows. So always check whether automation is available with your service provider or not. Third on the list we have import and export. That means that do you have an easy way to import and export data, because you already have a email list with you and you will be creating email list on this particular platform which you will be using. So the import and export should be very much easy. There should be a CSV download or a CSV upload, so that you have updated list all the time when you are doing email marketing. So always check import export capabilities. It should be very simple. There are some email marketing service providers who are very cumbersome when it comes to import and export. The next we have is pricing ROI, and this is also very important because it's about how much you will pay and what is the return on investment you will get. You need to check with your email service provider that whether they provide flexible pricing, they have month-to-month fixed pricing, or measurable email ROI. That means it's based on the number of emails you will be sending. Based on that, they will be charging you. So always check that before you move on to email service provider. Next we have reports, and by reports I mean what are the reporting features your email service provider have. Do they have automated reports? Do they send you automated reports and can actually help you, give tips and tricks that how you can actually take this particular email campaigns where you are lacking and how many people are actually opening your email campaigns? What are the things you should do to improve your campaign? So reporting is also one of the brilliant feature, because this, by reporting only you get to know that where you are actually standing and how you can actually improve. So always check what sort of reports you will be receiving. Next we have is integration. By integration I mean integration with other tools and e-commerce platform, the platform you are using. Let's say you are on a WordPress or a Shopify or a Magento, whether this particular email service provider have integrations with those platforms or any other CRM, whether you can actually create your list here and use your list on other platforms. So do see integrations before you opt any email service provider. And finally we have abandoned cart, which is one of the most important feature and a game changer feature for many email service providers. Abandoned cart is exactly the automation we discussed, but automation on anybody who is abandoning your cart. If somebody has added a product to the cart and if he is not buying it, a series of emails will be sent to him which can actually drive more conversion for you. There is a study which actually says abandoned cart can create up to 5 to 8% more conversions than, if you're not using, you are actually losing out 5 to 8% of your conversions in terms of those people who have added the product to the cart but they have not bought it. So this is one feature you should actually check. You can actually create a lot of welcome series. If somebody is onboarded on your e-commerce website as a customer, you can send a welcome series of emails, or you can send shipping instructions and other emails, and all automated. So do check this feature, abandoned cart, before finalizing. Then this is one of the most important one. So these are the 7 points you should definitely check before you marry an email service provider. And if you own an e-commerce store and if you're not doing email marketing, you are losing out a lot of things. You are actually losing out to a lot of new customers who can actually help you grow your store in the years to come. So create your list. As we always say, the money is in the list. So create database of names, email addresses and other information you can collect from your customer and your future prospects, because these are the set of customer and prospects who have shown interest in your product. And in case down the line, 2 years, 1 year, when you will have new products, you can actually reach out to these customers, this set of customers who really want to buy your product, who are really engaged with you and your service and your product. So always have a list ready and try to make this list as bigger as possible. So that is why invest in a right email service provider. And finally, the drum rolls for the top email service provider, and that is Klaviyo. Just ahead of ActiveCampaign. And why I say so, because of its ease of use of this editor and the design and flexibility it actually provides. The reporting and the integrations are super brilliant. Generally people look for these 4 qualities: the ease of use, the user friendliness of the product, the design and the flexibility, how brilliantly they can design and how flexible it is that if they want to use their own design, the reporting of it, they should be able to know what's happening with their email campaigns, and the integration, they should be able to integrate with other platforms. Based on these 4 things, which are the most important according to me, Klaviyo is a clear winner. ActiveCampaign is also a brilliant product when it comes to selling services, and if you are a coach, then ActiveCampaign, because it comes in with a CRM, built-in CRM. So if you are a coach or if you are into selling services, then ActiveCampaign will be the first one. But when it comes to e-commerce brands and selling products or online, Klaviyo is a clear winner. The best part is that you can actually opt in 14-day free trial on either of the platforms, and you can check all by yourself which one works best for your business. This is the research I have gathered before I made this video, and if you are really looking forward to have this PPT, I'll be putting this the link to this PPT in the descriptions below. You can actually download this PPT and check on these links, the kind of research I have gathered before I made this video. And if you are the one who is wondering why your e-commerce store isn't growing despite having a decent amount of traffic, or if you want to convert 4 times more customers from the same traffic, then book a strategy call with us, and I'll take you through a step-by-step framework with which you can convert more customers. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like. And if you have any questions about e-commerce brands or email marketing campaigns, you can actually get back to me through the comment section, and I'll make sure I'll answer each and every one of them. Also, do stay connected with me. Here are the list in the PPT. I'll be posting these links on the descriptions also. Reach out to us on the social media channels. I share a lot of tips and tricks on all these channels, that how you can actually grow your e-commerce store. I'll soon see you with another video. Ciao. Take care.